In this video, I will tell you how to create super effects in an image. Hi friends, I am Ravinder Singh and you are watching my channel Technical Guidance. So let's start. To make superpower effects in an image, you have to download an app named Superpower Effects. You can download it from App Store, and after downloading it, you have to open it. There are options. You can take a photo or select it from a gallery. Here I am going to take a photo. I will take a picture of my hand to show you. I will, like here I am going to take a picture of my hand, and after taking the picture you can see it will appear here. Now you can click on this icon and you can see there are so many effects you can use. Like here you can use like this, or here one I used in my pictures is like these. Here you can make it like this, or you can also use this one. You can make it small, big or bigger. You can also use this one. Here I am going to use this one. You can also use dust in the background, but here my picture is not compatible of having a dust. After doing it, click on the right icon. Now you can see there are more options also. Here you can crop it, but I don't have to crop it. Here you can do different things, like here you can adjust it, colors change here like you can see it will happen. Superpower effect, you can select it like this also or these also. Here you also have effect, you can see, of blurring. I'm not going to blur much. Here you can use these effects as well. Here brightness as well. Like here it really like shows like a simple object is glowing in the dark. Here you can also select like this. This looks awesome. Like here we can change background textures from here. Here I am going to choose none. And you have many other effects also, like these. You can choose different kind of postures to use all this. Like here you can see there are so many, like here thundering and meteorite. Here this one as well. Here this smoke as well. There are many more. You can use any of the effects according to your image. You can here add a title also. Like here I will type something like share, comment, subscribe. You can set it according to your need. Like here I'm setting it comment. Okay, so here our image is formed. Now after forming your image, you can click on it, this icon, and save, or you can also share directly from here. After saving, you can see it will be saved in the gallery. Like here, just to show you, I am going to select from gallery, and you can see here's the one we had made now only. You can see this one was the one I made now to show you. So that's how we make a super effect in an image. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you like this video, I will also make a video on how to show super effects in a video. Thanks friends for watching this.